The second participle is past participle. The past participle is the use of third form of the verb. Third form of the verb has been called past participle. It is used mainly when we make use of perfect tenses. When we form present perfect tense, past perfect tense or future perfect tense, then we use past participle. Just as I have done my work. She has read her book. He had sold his house. These are examples of present and past perfect tenses. Past participle is also used when we change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. When we change the sentence, we make use of be verb and followed by past participle. Just as a book is read by me. Here, read is the past participle used to form the passive voice sentence. Passive voice के बाद इस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का यानी वर्ब के थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज हम सिंथेसिस में भी करते हैं. व्हेन वी मेक यूज ऑफ two simple sentences to make a single sentence, then past participle is used. Here are some examples. You can study the examples and the use of past participle.